Children who were bullied at age 9 have poor well-being and higher depression scores at age 13. That's according to a new report from the Economic and Social Research Institute. Poor well-being and higher depression at age 13 were found among children who experienced more frequent bullying and behaviour involving the same person. A link was found between being excluded by peers and both poor well-being and greater depression. The report found 70% of children tell a parent, teacher or another adult when they feel they have been bullied. However, just 42% tell an adult when they experience bullying type behaviour, such as name-calling or being excluded by their peers. Report co-author Emer Smith said the most striking finding in the report is the difference between how bullying is defined by many young people and by schools and other organisations. 4 out of 10 children aged 9 said they had been picked on by a child or adult in the last year. Provided with a list of bullying experiences that included being hit, name-calling and exclusion, 62% of 13-year-olds said they had experienced at least one of them on one or more occasion. 37% said they had experienced at least one of those behaviours repeatedly. A number of differences between boys and girls were identified in the findings. Girls were less likely to be hit than boys, but more likely to be subject to social exclusion or name-calling. Girls were also more likely to have nasty things said to or about them online or by text, and also more likely than boys to say they felt anger, upset, and or afraid. Boys were more likely to experience more physical forms of bullying, like pushing or shoving. The prevalence of bullying was no different between boys and girls, nor was there any variation between different backgrounds, like social class, experience of financial strain, or family structures. However, children attending DEIS secondary schools said they experienced more bullying. For more on this and other stories, you can check out the Irish Independent.